Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing the biggest immediate blockers. Free at least 200 MB and close background apps to stop CPU thrashing. Once done, update Chrome so you're not chasing old bugs. This fixes many speed regressions. Restart the phone to flush temporary caches and toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to reset radio stacks. Doing these first cuts noise and makes the next steps meaningful because you'll measure improvements against a clean baseline rather than a cluttered state. You now focus on Chrome itself. Clear the cache and site data for the heavy pages you use, not every site, to remove corrupted or oversized resources. Next, disable any extensions and experimental flags. Extensions can run scripts that slow page loads, and flags can introduce instability. Then enable light mode or reduce automatic image loading to cut bandwidth and render time. Make sure to measure a test page load after each change so you know which adjustment delivered the gain. Finish by optimizing the network. Change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to speed up domain lookups and switch Wi-Fi bands. 5 GHz is faster, but 4 GHz can be more stable at range. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear misconfigured proxies and try a fresh Chrome install or a new user profile to remove lurking configuration issues. If you still see slowness, check the troubleshooting tip. Test another browser to determine whether the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.